My name is Brittany Brown, and I'm the founder and CEO of Project Beauty Expo. In 2014, I started my own skincare line. Like many brands, I participated in trade shows and expo events. After about my fifth trade show, I realized there weren't any marketplaces that were geared towards indie brands specifically for women of color, and that's why PBE was birthed. The best way to describe PBE is it's an experience. It's an opportunity for all women of color to be seen and heard within the beauty industry. Over the past 3 years, we've listened to our attendees and exhibitors and added a full day of workshops. We'll be covering topics like product styling photography, Facebook and Instagram ad marketing, how to work with big box retailers, and much more. Now in its fourth year, PBE has become not only a 1 but 2 day event experience for attendees. You can expect to participate in skill building workshops, a shopping marketplace, networking opportunities, and on-site beauty demonstrations. I never could have imagined for PBE to experience this level of success in such a short period of time, and I cannot wait for you to see what we have in store. If you're someone who's looking to get into the beauty industry or receive business tips, then this one-of-a-kind event is for you. See you in LA.